Hey guys, quick video on what is the best prop firm for trading Bitcoin. I'm not an affiliate. I don't have an affiliate link. If this video gets a ton of views, maybe I put affiliate links in the comments or in the description. That's not why I'm doing this video. It's kind of for my own learning and to sort of plan my prop firm strategy. I only trade Bitcoin and Ethereum, and now it's a lot more just Bitcoin because sadly, most of the prop firms are not particularly friendly to ETH because they just don't give you a lot of leverage, or a lot of them really limit your position sizing where you can't trade more than 50 ETH or 100 ETH total. So I just focus on Bitcoin. So we're looking at a couple things for uh, trading Bitcoin. One, we want good leverage. We'll close out of this. Two, we want weekend trading. Three, we want reasonable spreads plus commissions. And four, we want reasonable swaps. So I'm going to start with swaps. So the idea with swaps is for Bitcoin, there's no reason that you should pay swaps all the time. Because if they're really sending you through to an exchange, the way swaps work for Bitcoin is different from the way swaps work on Forex. On Forex, you're paying a borrow fee, basically. That's not how it works on uh, Bitcoin. The exchanges don't charge you a borrow. They charge you commission or spread, and the fees that are paid from having a leverage position open, or what you could call a swap in Forex, is paid between longs and shorts when trading a margin leveraged perpetual futures instrument, and that's done to keep the perp futures pegged to the spot. If there's too many shorts, the shorts have to pay to the longs to be in the position. This incentivizes people to take longs, and it boosts the price, prevents the perp price from getting detached from the spot price. So if a um, if a prop firm is charging swaps on both the longs and the shorts, it's not realistic trading conditions. It's hostile trading conditions. It's predatory. They're taking money from you that they don't need to take. Now, it's not to say that I wouldn't trade with firms that charge swaps on both sides, but the best ones don't. So I'll show you a couple. So this one is Bespoke Funding, which I just started with. And by the way, I'm not going to tell you if these firms are reputable or not. I don't know if they're going to go under like my Forex funds. And by the way, I'm recording this September 11, 2023. So I'm not, I don't know if they're going to go under or whatever. But you can see for Bespoke, I just closed a trade for $30,000 profit, and I was paid on my swap. I got paid to have the position over the weekend. So I like Bespoke. I don't know if this is always what the swap is, but right now the swap short is positive. I'm getting paid to be in the short. That's more realistic. If we look, so Bespoke Funding is one. I've never gotten a payout with them, but yeah. Now another one is TFT. So TFT as well. Look, I made it, took the same trade here, made almost 30,000, and was paid a positive swap as well. So let's see what the specification says on the swap. Negative 15 and 1. Again, I don't know it'll always be that way or if it changes or whatever, but getting paid to be in a swap is nice. Then I think Skilled Funded Traders might have also paid me. Yeah, I also got a positive swap from Skilled Funded Traders. So from the ones that I've tried, the Funded Trader, Skilled Funded Trader, and Bespoke are the ones that have a better um, better swaps. Um, FTMO does not have good swaps. Top tier trader, no. I haven't tried with a lot of these. I'll tell you, we'll come back to that, but there's a couple other things like let's look at the spreads here. Um, the spread here is $15 on skilled funded traders. There's no commission. That's pretty good. I'm happy with that. And for the funded trader and bespoke, it's the same thing. And I think that, yeah, like a $10 spread on a $25,000 value instrument is awesome. And note that all of these are using 8 cap. So I like the ones that use 8 cap for this reason. Maybe they're using a preset settings. I don't know what the deal is, but we're getting positive swaps. We have no commissions, and we have narrow spreads. So that's awesome. I like those three. Um, Now there's leverage. So funded trader gives you 2x leverage, and that's enough to do a lot with. Bespoke gives you 2x leverage. Skilled funded trader only gives you 1x leverage. So only getting 1x leverage, I will still trade with some of these prop firms. However, it's a lot harder. You get less bang for your buck. It takes longer. The benefit of getting less leverage is you're less likely to blow your account during a drawdown. I lost 12 straight trades, and I had 2 funded accounts with FTMO, and I didn't blow them because I couldn't leverage them. So there's benefits to having non-leveraged accounts. Personally, I like to have some accounts with 1x leverage, some accounts with 2x leverage, ideally some accounts with 4x leverage, but yeah. So I guess the best for me just on the criteria are the funded trader, skilled funded trader, and bespoke. No, sorry, skilled funded trader is a tier below. Bespoke and the funded trader. Bespoke allows $1 million and live capital before scaling, and funded trader is 600K, so that goes a long way. Let me go down some of these other ones. I'm max funded with FTMO. I like them, but no leverage, and you charge a swap. Skilled funded trader, only 1x leverage. Top tier trader, you pay a high swap, and their spread's really high, like really high. I don't know these ones. I haven't tried yet, but I might. Funded engineer. Oh yeah, that's another one. All these allow trading 24/7. The funded engineer is no weekend trading. And what else is wrong with it? I mean, that's it. No weekend trading. There's no reason for that. My funded FX, there's a lot size limit of 5 Bitcoin. There's swaps. Otherwise, it's fine. But they switched it. They switched their broker, and it's just really tedious when you have a 300K account and you want to trade 15 Bitcoin with risk to do 3 orders. So I don't really like that. It's not really friendly. E8, definitely no. They have commissions, swaps, and high spreads. True Forex funds, I really liked them until they have you get Forex leverage on your Bitcoin. But the swaps aren't friendly, but they jacked up their fees. They have really high commissions now. They have a really small spread, but it was the best. It's not anymore. I also blew my accounts with them. I don't plan on trading with them again right away. Maybe I will. Then you can see a lot of these. Um, a lot of these have some ridiculous like trailing drawdowns, consistency rules. If you open a trade without having a stop loss set, it shuts you down. If you have, if they think you're copy trading from other accounts, they'll shut your account down. No weekends. Yeah, so a lot of them are no good. These ones I don't know. I need to look into them. Leveled Up Society, Funder Pro, Blue Guardian, Finotive, Goat Funded Trader, MyFlash Funding. These ones, it's possible that there's one in here that's good. I don't know. I need to do more research, but for now, I like the Funded Trader and Bespoke. And then I'm also trading with FTMO and Skilled Funded Trader. And I'm going to keep trying with different ones to see. which ones I like. But yeah, again, not an affiliate yet. Maybe I am. You could check down below, but um, yeah. And then none of them are really good, very good for ETH, sadly. FTMO is probably the best one, just because you can trade any amount with yeah, a lot of the other ones are capped at 50, but you can trade any amount of ETH up to 1x leverage. Yeah, maybe I'll find another good one with ETH. TFF was really good with ETH, and that was my go-to, the funded True Forex funds, and again until they jacked up their fees. Anyways, hope you find that useful. Much love.